A Legislative Assembly election was held in the Indian state of Punjab on 4 February 2017 to elect the 117 members of the Punjab Legislative Assembly. The counting of votes was done on 11 March 2017. The ruling pre-election coalition was the alliance comprising the political parties Shiromani Akali Dal and Bharatiya Janata Party and led by Chief Minister Parkash Singh Badal. The voter turnout for the Punjab Assembly election was 77.2%. The Indian National Congress led by former Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh defeated the ruling alliance and the newcomer Aam Aadmi Party. In April 2016, the Election Commission of India revealed about 8 lakh bogus votes of state being cancelled in the past 1 year, and over 7 lakh youngsters who have attained the age of 18 this year were yet to get registered. One constituency in every district will be chosen for trial run of voter-verified paper audit trail machines used along with EVMs. Election Commission also decided to set up new polling stations if the number of voters was more than 1,200 in rural areas and 1,400 in urban areas. 33 constituencies of all district headquarters in Punjab had VVPAT machines installed with EVMs, including 22 district headquarters besides 11 high-profile constituencies. As per the special summary revision of electoral rolls, there are a total of 1.9 crore voters in Punjab as of August 2016. The 2014 general election was held in Punjab for 13 parliamentary constituencies. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.